Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nightwatch. Now this here is the NS73V2 Incredible. Now I was sent this by Neil's Gadgets, also known as Neil's Deals on Facebook. I was sent this to review. It's just a plain box. These are very budget friendly lights. Tested a couple of them in the past, so let's wait no further. Let's open this one up, see what's in. Now this particular model that I'm featuring here does come with a battery. You can get it without, but with my savings at the end of the video down in the description, might be wise just go ahead and get a battery. Now this does run on 21700 cells, and if you have extra on hand, you'll be able to get really good run time on this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light here. Comes with the lanyard. And there it is. Compact light. Definitely small enough to carry this easily. Knurling here at the head, even on the heat sinking, you can see the knurling on there. That's nice. You can see goes all the way down to the body knurling. Now this is a flat finish, but the tail looks a little bit shinier. Tail clicky there. Can table stand that if you wish. Steel bezel on there. Now the style and design on this is nice, no issues there. I've done a couple of Nightwatch lights in the past for other people as well. Now this one here is a solid light, feels well constructed. It's got some weight to it with the battery in it. And the machining and finish on this is nice, no issues. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflector. And you've got 3 luminous SFN 55.3 LEDs. They don't have no domes on them. And like I said, Cree better step up their game. A lot of these other companies out there making these LEDs put some heat on Cree to come out with some newer LEDs. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this all taken apart. Well greased threads there. See, there's a spring behind that metal piece there. Heavy duty contact on that. Straight contact point on the head there. You can use button tops in this as well if you can find them. The flat top should be just fine. Here's the battery that comes with my sample here. If you order from Neil, this is a 3000 milliamp. This is a 15 amp cell. It does have a pulse rating, I believe, of 30, so it should be plenty. And if you do have a higher milliamp battery, higher ampage, definitely can use that as well. You're not limited to just this one here. Now let's go ahead and get this all back together. I had previously already charged that battery, so it should be good. Now let's go through the UI. Now to activate the light, you're simply going to full press that. Now you can't full press it, it just has like memory mode. So if you just half press on that and then turn it off, turn it on, it does have memory mode. So you can do it that way. Just half press to go through those light outputs. We'll look at the beam here. It does have a nice hot spot here. A lot of bleeding around the edge. Not super focused, but spill area tapers off, as you can see here. A little bit of overlapping, but further out you get, it's not noticeable at all. Side view there of the beam. And just half press that. Now according to Neil, there's 17,500 lumens, and it was really spot on, very close. I think it was like 16.9. Now I just use a regular lux meter with ceiling bounce. I don't do anything fancy, so the numbers could be different for someone else testing it, but that's the easiest way I do it here. Again, this thing is just phenomenal light output for this size of light. That's all there is to this light. Really straightforward, easy to use, nothing difficult. This thing feels rugged and looks pretty nice too. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nightwatch Incredible. And it is indeed incredible. You'll see what I'm talking about. Kind of played around with this earlier. Got a new battery in it. Let's get started. That's the lowest setting. Water spout. It is 38 feet from where I'm standing. Kind of get an idea here on the fence. This low light output does well. There it is on the fence. Let's go up to the next level. There you go there. 65 feet there to that tree. Water spout 38 feet. Got a cat out there. I don't know, maybe that's a raccoon, I can't tell. Yeah, it looks like a cat. So the beam is definitely nice foreground, very wide spill area, so it's going to be just fine for most applications. Alright, so let's go to the next level up here. That is the famous Tree of Life, 138 feet. So let's go to the next level. Nice little jump there. Still looking at me. I don't know if he's trying to catch a mouse out there. I heard some squealing earlier. Alright, let's go to the next level here. See how it does. That is impressive, especially for this size of light. Now this will get very warm and cycle down. Zoom in here on some objects. You can kind of see faintly making the trees in the distance, the palm trees that is. And you can see it is making 238 feet there. making those trees out in the distances there. To the playgrounds out there. You can see it is making those with these. Zoom it back out. And the head on this is getting toasty. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This Nightwatch Incredible is exactly what its name is, and it is incredible. This thing just has a huge area that it can light up at once. It's got some impressive range on there as well, being a multi-LED, but this thing does have very nice throwing range, especially for the type of beam that it is. I think it's because those LEDs, manufacturers have realized that de-domed LEDs have a tendency to be a sharper, straightforward projection of the light, so we're going to start seeing probably more and more of them in the future. This here is very nice, solid, well-built light, nothing difficult. Recommend you using a quality unprotected cell. If you don't get the one with the battery, I recommend you do, because he pretty much sets you up right away with a good battery that can handle the power that this needs. Otherwise, if you have extra on hand, you can swap one out. Once one goes dead, you're ready to go there. And these things here being budget friendly, especially for what you're getting here. You don't get any frills, you don't get any holster, user manual, nothing like that. They try to keep the cost down, get you more value in the light versus having all the extra stuff. I'm not seeing any issues with this light. One of the better performing lights that I've seen for this form factor. Alright, well, I want to thank Neil's Gadgets for sending me this Nightwatch Incredible to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting with the battery or without, you can use my link down in the description. Make your choice there. My discount code will work on both, with or without a battery, just in case you're interested in getting this. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Every little bit helps me out. Or you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Nightwatch, Neil's Gadgets to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.